Hi, good morning. Now we will discuss about biomolecules. Biomolecules means generally the carbon compounds are synthesized inside of this living matter. These are considered as biomolecules. Generally the different type of these biomolecules are present in the cells. Generally the cell is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. Cell is a basic unit of almost all living organisms. It is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. The cells contain the more number of these organelles. The different type of these organelles contain the different type of these organic molecules. In these are containing organic and inorganic. Two types of these compounds are present in the cells. In these, what are the organic compounds? Carbohydrate, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, enzymes, etc. Whereas inorganic molecule, the inorganic molecule include to water, ions and minerals. Generally these organic and inorganic molecules are present inside of the cell. The cells are different in nature. In on biosphere contain the different type of these organisms. These organisms contain the various type of these organic molecules. The different concentration as well as the different organic compounds are present. In this variation from these plant, animal and microorganisms. So these studying of these organic and inorganic molecules as well as the reference with the earth crust. Generally almost all cells containing hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, sodium. All of these compounds are present inside of these cells as well as earth crust. Earth crust. But concentration is different from the earth crust to human being. In these, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur is more concentration present in human being. That means more concentration present in the human beings than the earth crust. Whereas calcium, magnesium, sulfur and silica, these compounds are more. That means the more concentration of these elements present in the human beings than the earth crust. Whereas carbon, magnesium, sodium and silica are present more concentration in the earth crust than the human being. But all of these compounds are present in the human beings, that means living organisms, as well as present in the earth crust. So these are the almost all present in the organic and inorganic compounds are present and related to this earth crust. Now we can chemical analysis. How chemical analysis of these organic and inorganic molecules present in the cell. Chemical analysis of organic molecule or biomolecules. The first one, the chemical analysis taken of any one of these wet material like leaf, leafy vegetable or liver? Liver material. Either vegetable material or animal material used for identification of the chemical analysis. What type of these biomolecules are present in these living organisms of the plant body as well as the living organisms of these animal body. In this first one, either leafy, vegetable or liver material taken as a material or substance. These are grind in mortar and pestle. Taken of these material in the mortar, these are grind with the help of adding TCA, that means trichloroacetic acid. Trichloroacetic acid. After the grinding, to form paste or slurry. The formation of these slurry, that is a liquid, these are filtrate with the cotton or another paper. We use of these cotton, the undigested, that means undissolved material is simply separated, and these are taken in one of the test tube. These test tube allow in centrifugation process. In this, after centrifugation, the liquid material to form two layers. One is pellet, the second one is supernatant. So the supernatant is also called as acid soluble fraction. Whereas the pellet, acid insoluble fraction. Acid soluble fraction, whereas acid insoluble fraction. Generally, the acid soluble fraction containing the smaller molecules, that means sugars, amino acids, nitrogen bases, and some of the fats. Whereas the acid insoluble fraction contain high molecular weight of these compounds like carbohydrate, proteins, nucleic acids, nitrogen bases. These are the nucleic acids, along with lipids. Generally, 18 to 800 daltons of molecular weight, these are present in acid soluble fraction, whereas the more than 800 molecular weight of these daltons, these are present in acid insoluble fraction. In this, acid insoluble fraction containing the more than 800 daltons, but generally the lipid molecules are less than 800 daltons, but are present in acid insoluble fraction, whereas So the less concentration or less molecular weight of these lipids are present in the less than 800 Daltons. These are present in the acid soluble fraction. So the lipids are present in acid insoluble fraction as well as acid soluble fraction. So it is not confirmed as present in the acid insoluble fraction. So the lipids are present in the acid soluble fraction as well as the acid insoluble fraction. So in this, the chemical analysis. Generally, the chemical analysis we taken of any one of these living material. One of the leaf and second one is the liver. The leaf means leafy vegetables. Any one of these leafy vegetables are used for these identification of these chemical analysis. Whereas the liver material or any one of these animal material also used for these identification of these chemical compounds. So in this, the material is first grind with one of the mortar and pestle in this using of the trichloroacetic acid. The trichloroacetic acid helps for dissolution of these organic compounds. In this, the formation of this slurry, the slurry is directly allowed in the filtration with the help of this cotton or butter paper. Butter paper enter. Butter paper. So either cotton or butter paper used for the all of these filtration. After the filtration, these are directly enters in one of the test tube. This test tube is allowed to the centrifugation process. In this centrifugation process of the spinning to produce the two layers. So one is the pellet and second one is the supernatant. Low molecular weight of these components are present in the supernatant, whereas high molecular components are present in the pellet. So generally the supernatant contain the acid soluble fraction. These are contain the less molecular weight of these compounds, the sugars, amino acid, nitrogen bases and other fats. Whereas the pellet contain the acid insoluble fraction, does not dissolve in this trichloroacetic acid. So all of these in the form of the pellet. In this acid insoluble fraction contain the carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid and lipids. But in this 18 to 800 Daltons of the molecular weight compounds are generally present in the acid soluble fraction. But more than 800 Daltons of the molecular weight of these compounds are generally present in the acid insoluble fraction. In this, generally the lipids are less than 800 Daltons. So these are present in the acid soluble fraction as well as the present in the acid insoluble fraction. In the same, we taken in these wet weight. Whereas in some cases we taken of these dry weight. That means generally the chemical analysis, some of these elements may be present in these either leafy vegetable or liver material present in these compound. These are directly allowed into the dry weight. These are dried. In this, after drying, the loss of water as well as the carbon molecules are completely oxidized. So all of these remain present in these only the elements. So element analysis also useful for the one of the silica crucibles are used in this. The material is taken inside of these crucible and kept in one of the muffle furnace of the equipment. After the muffle furnace, around 450 degrees Celsius increases its temperature around 450 degrees Celsius. So all of these organic compounds or carbon compounds are oxidized and water molecule is dried up and remaining only the chemicals are present. That means the elements are present. So these are allowed into the chemical analysis. In this, the chemical analysis with help of this absorption spectrophotometer. Generally, any one of these atoms are identified with the help of this one of the spectrophotometer technique. So that is atomic absorption spectrophotometry. So these are useful for identification of what are the types of the chemicals are present in these either dry or any one of these wet weight. These are the chemical analysis. Along with the identification of these chemicals, generally the acid soluble fraction contain the sugar, amino acid, nitrogen bases and fats, whereas the acid insoluble fraction contain the carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid and lipids. Now we will discuss about the acid soluble fraction.